In today's video, I am going to show you how to download music from YouTube to your computer. To do that, let's click on this music video. Of course, everyone's know you can download video like this. That's not what we are going to do today. Today we are going to download it to your computer. To do that, go to this logo icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. After loading, it will show like this. Now go to the audio library. After loading, you can see something like this. Like this, you can see songs here. You can search songs here. You can download songs from here. Let's download this song. You can see like this song is downloading to your PC. Let's see the file. Here you can see song is downloaded. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.